So now we're gonna make uh, the other spike. So it will be almost the same process with a little bit of twist here and there. First is first, as usual, we're gonna use the knife tool for the basic outline cuts. Or why just make it a little bit, just tilt it a little bit. Same over here, just tilt it a little bit. There we go. Okay, after the SX, let's just E right click then GX. We're gonna do the same thing over on the left side. Now SZ0 to make them on the same level with the active element on. Be careful. Now space them. Space. So now we're gonna put one more edge loops down in the midst of both of them. Now just join the faces. There we go. Let's get 4 vertices or six for now. Which is gonna dissolve the middle two verts. It's a 0. Same over there. 6. Now we're gonna get rid of the middle two. We're gonna join all of those with their respective words. We're going to cut those parts. SX and just pull these outside. Now we're gonna extrude it outside, like how we did with the previous worm. Let's turn that on, turn that auto mode job. Let's make the face here. Okay, so we have forgotten to do one thing. We forgot to align both of the left and right over here. So for now, we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna fix some alignments over here with SZ. These things are useless, so we're just gonna get rid of those. Make the faces. Let's align these two. First things first. Let's grab those and just adjust them over on the y-axis. Let's manually just fix these parts. We're just gonna align them by the views. So over here, we're just gonna do some SY and then SC. My heartfelt apologies for this one being a little bit tedious. Uh, I should have been more careful when making the base of it. That's where it all began to just crumble apart. We're done. Cool, cool. Here we're just gonna get rid of the edge with the needle over there. Alright. Oh, cool.